Hi friends, my dear students and my dear parents, welcome to my channel Mathematics Lessons with Sharif. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If you not, please subscribe my channel first and watch this video till the end. It's very interesting video and it is very useful for doing multiplication in quick time. So what is the video says? How to multiply any big number with any number from 12 to 19 in quick time, and the rule has been written there on the screen. Multiply every digit with the units digit and add the subsequent digit. So I will show you how to apply this rule and get the value here. So I have taken a number here 1321 multiplied by 12. So I will show you how to do the thing in the procedure. Okay, application I will show you. Don't skip the video, watch the video till the end because I am going to show you how to multiply with 17 also after 12. Okay, now what you have to do, first of all take 0 in the beginning and at the end of the number. Take 10 at the beginning, at the end of the number. Now what is the units digit of the number 12? It is 2. So according to the rule, you have to multiply every number starting from 0 with 2 and add the subsequent digit. So I will multiply every number. First of all, 2 multiplied by 0, you are getting 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So write 1 here and cancel 0 because you have already multiplied this one. Now 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2 and 2 plus 3 is 5. Now you multiplied 1, you cancel 1 also. Now multiply 2 with 3. Yeah, multiply 3 with 2, that is 3, 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now cancel this 3 also. Now 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 5, 1 should be added to 4, that is 5. Now cancel this 2 also. Now 2 1s are 2, now add 0. 2 plus 0 is 2, now cancel this 1. If you multiply 2 0 0, it is 0, so no need to write anything else. So what is the answer? 15,852. I hope you understand the procedure how to multiply any big number. I have taken only 4-digit number. You can take 6-digit number also and you can write the answer in quick time. Now if you come for the multiplication with 17, which is bigger number than 12, so the procedure is same. Small variation is there. Small point to be observed here. The starting point is taking 0 in the beginning and taking 0 at the end. So start with this one. Now the units place is here 7. So as the rule says, we have to multiply every digit with 7 and add the subsequent digit. So starting with 0. So I will write the answer here. 7 zeros is 0. If you add 1 to the 0, you are getting 1. Now cancel this 0 because we have multiplied 0. Now 7 multiplied by 1. 7 ones are 7. If you add 3, you are getting 10. It is a 2-digit number. If you are getting 2-digit number 10, like 10, write the units place here and carry the tens place to the preceding one. Now you have multiplied 1, you just cancel this one. Now go for 3. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2 is 23. Once again it is 2-digit number. Write units place here and carry the tens place here to the preceding digit. Now cancel this 3 also. Now go for 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So write 5 here in its place and carry the 1 to the preceding digit. So you have done this 2 also. Cancel the 2. Now multiply 1. 7 ones are 7. If you add 0, you are getting 7 only. So you cancel 1 also. You have multiplied all the digits. You have multiplied all the digits. Now if you multiply 7 with 0, it is 0, no problem. Now you are getting these two columns. Now add them as usual. Just add them. This is 7, general addition. 5, 4, 2, 2. So what is the answer? 22, 457. So if you have any doubt in this, take a calculator and try to check these answers. So check these answers on calculator and practice few more problems on this technique so that it will be useful to you whenever you are solving all the arithmetical calculations. You can solve in quick time better than any other person. I hope you enjoyed my video. I once again request you to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed, and please share to your friends, and thank you for watching. Sharif sir signing off.